This video focuses on daily maintenance and use of dryer. Operation steps. 1. Inspection and cleaning of dryer before use. 2. Placing of drying clothes and shoes. Check the power supply and plug before use. The socket must be 3-phase socket with reliable grounding. 1. Put out the water box and drain out the water. 2. Open the front door, take out the filter and clean it with a brush. 3. Push the rectangular handle of the condenser door by hand. Then open the condenser door. Open 4 blue snaps respectively. Take out the condenser and clean it with a brush. Attention! 1. Failure to clean the water box in time will cause E2 alarm. 2. Failure to clean the filter and condenser in time will cause E4 alarm and affect the drying effect. Tips. 1. Clothes to be dried must be spinned by washing machine. 2. Put the clothes in the dryer as flat as possible. 3. The iron bracket can be used to dry shoes. Remind users, after each drying, the power plug must be unplugged.